show you how to replace your cabin air filter on your Dodge Grand Caravan. This is the air filter I used. It's a Fram CF 10743. You can use whatever one you like. This just happens to be the one that I could get. And then so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the lower glove box. So you got the top glove box and the lower one. It's behind here in the lower one. So what you have to do is on the sides here, you have to bend these out and pop them over. Just like that on both sides. Bend them out, pop them over. There's a little cable right here. So this cable, you're just going to lift it up and pull it off. And then once you got it pulled off, there's your cabin air filter right there. So you're just going to do these couple little clips and you're going to pull it out, and I'll show you how that's done in a second. Okay, so all you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab these two tabs on the sides, squeeze them in, and that'll take the cover off. And as you can see, I haven't changed this one yet, and I'm kind of scared to see what's in there. And there's a lot of stuff. You can tell because the leaves are on the top that the air is flowing from the top down. So that's the directional airflow. It'll be top down. And then you just pull it out. Try and minimize your mess for yourself. And then I'm going to vacuum inside here and I'll be right back. Okay, so I vacuumed inside there a bit, and then you're going to want to put your filter back on. So you got two hard rigid sides and then soft sides. This one didn't have arrows for direction of flow, but basically what it is you want the two edges that are folded over to be facing up, and the one edge where it's the cut edge, that's the side that's facing down. So you're going to put it in with the two firm sides to the side, and then you're just going to slide it in, push from the sides until it gets in there snug. Then you're going to take your cover and you're going to put it back on. And that's it. That's how you change your cabin filter. Okay, so after you got it all back together, this is what you'll find the hardest part, is hooking back up this little cable. So what I've tried a few times is I'll loop it with my finger like that, push it over as far as you can get it, lift this up, and hold it on your finger until you clip it on. And then you got it on, and that's it. And then fold in these tabs, that one in, same on the other side, and there you go. Your glove box is closed. And that's how you change your cabin air filter on your Dodge Grand Caravan. Hope this helps you out. Take care.